Hey guys, welcome back for another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to assemble the Little Olive Tweety Baby Stroller. It's really easy to assemble and it will take only a few minutes. The package that you see on your screen now is what you will receive when you order a Little Olive Tweety Baby Stroller. Within the package, all the required parts for the stroller are included along with the instruction manual. The instruction manual also includes all the detailed instructions on how to assemble and how to use this baby stroller. First thing you want to do is to take out all the contents of the package and familiarize yourself with what's included in the box. The package includes the stroller frame, the singing food tray, a set of rear and front wheels, and the storage basket. So let's get started. The first thing that you want to do is to expand the stroller frame till you hear a click sound. Just like that. There we go. In the next step, we're going to install the wheels. The front wheel is the one with the circular attachment. The rear wheel is the one with the rectangular attachment. You can identify the front and rear wheels by looking at the attachment types. To install the wheels, you simply need to slide them in at the attachment points at the bottom. You can turn the stroller sideways and then simply slide the rear wheel into place by pressing down on the metallic button until you hear a click sound. Just like that. Repeat the steps for the front wheel. And that's how easy it is to install the wheels. Repeat the steps for the remaining two wheels as well. The next thing you want to do is you want to set up the seat. For this, identify the two Velcro strips on the part of the seat that goes over the armrest. Fold the cover onto the armrest and attach the two Velcro patches to each other. Repeat the steps for the other side as well. Next, you want to connect the shoulder part of the seat to the side arm. For this, you use the included button. Simply slide it along the side arm and connect the button ends together. You will hear a click sound when the button is closed. There we go. Repeat the steps on the other side. Next, let's look at how to attach the hood to the frame. You simply take the two metal arms from the hood and connect them to the sockets by inserting them one at a time into each of the sockets. Push inside so that it is secured firmly. And that's it, the hood is attached. Repeat the steps for the other side as well. Next, let's look at how to attach the basket. The basket gets attached at the two rods, one in the front and the other at the back. The attachment is by means of the push buttons on the basket. The back and front of the buttons are indicated here. Place the basket under the stroller. Put the front hoop of the basket over the front rod and secure each of the three buttons. Once you've done that for the front side, repeat the steps for the back side. Put the flap over the rod and secure each of the three buttons as I am doing here in the video. Make sure the buttons are firmly secured. And that's it, that's how easy it is to attach the basket. Next we shall look at how to attach the singing food tray. To attach the food tray, first you need to identify the hole on the armrest side of the frame. There's one hole on either side. This is where the singing food tray will get attached to the frame. First, you need to unscrew the two screws on either end of the food tray. Remove the nut by turning it around. Next, pass the screw through the hole that you identified before and do that for both sides. Once you've done that, tighten the nut on the screw on both ends and tighten the screw with a screwdriver. There you go, that's how easy it is to attach the food tray. So there you have it, that's how easy it is to assemble your Little Olive Tweety Baby Stroller. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do share your feedback in the comments and let us know what you think about the assembly instructions as well as about the stroller. Do subscribe to the channel and thank you.